there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community.
The city of New York trembles under a strange sky, streaked with impossible colors. Swinging above the glassy skyline, Spider-Man pauses on the spire of the Empire State Building. He's not alone this time. Just below, a faint ripple in the air signals impending trouble. Peter Parker's spider sense thrums with unusual urgency. Moments later, the air splits, and another Spider-Man drops through, clad in a suit of silver and blue, his eyes wild behind the mask. "You're not supposed to be here," the newcomer warns, breathless. "Neither am I." Before Peter can reply, the cityscape flickers, time slips surging through the streets. Ancient cars rattle along with sleek flying vehicles, people dressed from different centuries blink in confusion. Somewhere in Midtown, a T-Rex shares a crosswalk with a hoverboarder. The city is unraveling, threads of history tangling into chaos. "Reality's fractured," the silver-clad Spider-Man explains. He introduces himself as Miguel O'Hara, Spider-Man from the year 2099. The cause, he says, is a device called the Chrono-Jammer, recently stolen from his time. It's leaking energy, pulling moments from every era into one unlucky focal point. As the two Spider-Men swing into action, they come face to face with friends and foes out of place. Captain America in his World War II garb launches his shield beside Black Cat on a steam engine rooftop. Even J. Jonah Jameson, dressed in 1920s tweed, shouts at a crowd from a floating news drone. But amid the pandemonium, Peter's keen eyes catch a shadowy figure darting through the folds in reality, a supervillain known as the Chameleon. He's disguised as a frantic scientist, clutching the Chrono-Jammer, desperate to escape into the shifting tides of time.